Hello everyone, this video will help you to plot high quality graphs using the open source software Views, which is a scientific GUI based software. Now let's start with the downloading process. First download the setup file, for which the link is already given in the description box. When you are done with the installation, the initial interface will look like this. Okay. First and foremost thing is to import the data. You can import the data of various formats like TXT, CSV, HTF5, and also you can enter the data manually. While importing the data, don't forget to check the link database to file option and also add prefix to the data for easy identification in the later stage. After importing the data sets, next is to fix the dimension of each graph. Before finalizing the dimension of each graph, you have to decide how many number of graphs you want in a single page. So, in this particular demonstration, I am adding 4 different graphs in a single page. Okay. So first you have to fix the dimension of the page. For this particular case, I am fixing the width as 16 cm and height as 9.92 cm. Next step is to decide the grid, that is number of rows and number of columns in the page as per your requirement. So I am giving 2 as number of rows and 2 number of columns. Okay. Then add one graph and do all the required formatting in that graph, and finally in the last step we can just copy paste the formatted graph. So after adding the first graph, the initial step is to add different margins, that is left margin as 1.5 cm, right margin as 0.5 cm, top margin as 0.2 cm and bottom margin as 1.3 cm. The next important thing is to write the label for X and Y axis for each graph and keep the font as Times New Roman and font size as 10 mm. You can select all these values as per your requirement and as per your need of formatting. Okay. Then you have to add the plot point option for plotting the data sets. In this particular case, I am demonstrating for 2 cases. So I am adding 2 plot points in each graph. You can also add different markers and colors for the plot. This way you can do all the required formatting and just copy paste this graph 3 times more, as my requirement was 4 graphs. Okay. And change the labels of X and Y axis. And finally, select the point data for each graph from the imported data sets. And also add the plot key option so that one can differentiate the different cases in a single graph. Once you have plotted all the graphs, then the final step is to export this file. You can export this file in different formats like PDF, SVG, PNG, JPG, etc. We prefer to save the file in PDF format. Okay. So this was a very short tutorial for how to plot high quality graphs using Views. I hope this tutorial helped at least some of you. You can check our website, that is computationalmechanics.in, for more knowledge about the different tools which we are using for our research. Thank you.